Gretchen Santonas of the Akari Chargers, who won in 5 sets against the Farmers Roxies. Coach, congratulations on this victory, an outright spot in the quarterfinals. How are you feeling about this win?
I think only today's game, Seth is already able to play, Shigreta also able to play, and that's what we missing in past 1 month, and also like almost 1 month, 2 months. So since from today, we are able to make it, everyone can play inside the ball. I think that's a good thing for us. Others like we have a lot of good players, but sometimes also some are injured or some are not good play. But our player can replace, and that's what Greta made it, Seth made it, and that's really affected the team.
Thank you, Coach. And for Ivy, best player of the game with 22 points. Nung first set pa lang, parang naka-11 points ka na din. So ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo heading into this game to help the team win?
Sikulat po dyan. Hindi po. Siyempre, yung pinagtrabahuan po namin the past few days, yung sakripisyo po talaga. And ayun po, kasi parang hindi pa naging madali yung before this game po. Kasi sobrang grabe talaga yung training namin. Kaya, siyempre, yung effort ng management, coaches, and teammates po, yun po talaga yung naging inspiration.
Thank you. And for Ate Gretchen, 11 points in your first game back. So, ano lang din yung feeling na yun, nakabalik ka na rin sa laro and hindi mo na rin nakakuha yung rhythm?
Happy ako, pero parang kasi kanina, hindi talaga ako nag-expect na ipapasok pa ako since nung first set. Ang ganda talaga nung pinakita nila. Pero yun nga, sabi naman ni Coach Taka, mag-ready lang daw ako. So, habang kanina, ina-obserbahan ko sila, tapos yung sa kalaban, para pagpasok ko, alam ko yung gagawin ko at alam ko i-instruct sa mga kasama.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Ivy, can you talk about ano nangyari behind the scenes kasi nanggagaling kayo sa back-to-back losses, and then paano tinake ng team yung mga napag-usapan para makuha itong mahalagang panalo na ito?
Siyempre po, talagang yung binubuo po namin culture sa team and yung tiwala po namin sa isa't isa. Siguro doon po kami nag-stick talaga going to this game po kasi siyempre, ayun nga po, dahil young team po yung team namin, kaya parang kailangan po talaga namin makilala pa yung isa't isa, ganun. And ayun po, doon po talaga, tiwala sa isa't isa, sa coaches, sa sistema, and sa management po.
And so first game back mo nga, and then very productive ka agad. Ano lang, yun nga, huge help for this important win. Anong i-expect ng teammates mo and in terms of leadership siguro and help and contributing going to the quarterfinals?
Yun na nga, ang mindset ko talaga is pagdating sa crucial point na kasi nakikita ko sila na nararatel. So, andun po ako para i-remind sila na, isa lang, kailangan maayos muna yung gagalawin natin para ma-deliver natin yung maayos yung points, yung lahat ng sistema or ano yung pwede gawin sa court.
Ivy, yun na kanina you guys fell 2-1. So ano lang sa team yung parang nawala sa team na kumbaga parang na-recover nyo rin naman by sets 4 and 5?
Siguro po yung aggressiveness po namin. And syempre, nag-a-adjust po yung kalaban. So, kailangan talaga mag-adjust din kami that game. So, parang medyo late lang po kami naka-adjust. Yun. And ayun po, yung sa endgame naman po, talagang sabi namin, kailangan kapitan talaga namin to. Kasi, parang pinagtrabahuhan na namin buong game po.
And then, nandito to the next round. Ano lang siguro based off this game, talagang ayaw nyo ng, yung baga gusto nyo pagtunan ng pansin talaga. Parang wala nang, mas smooth na yun.
Siguro po yung crucial times. Kasi nakikita ko naman po sila na nung nasa labas ako na okay po yung ginagalaw nila umpisa. Yun yung aayusin namin pag crucial times na kahit sinong ilagay dyan sa loob, magli-lead or mas maging maayos. At makakapag-adjust kami agad kasi syempre nag-a-adjust ang kalaban. Yun yung pinaka-first namin gagawin, yung adjustment ng kalaban, kung paano kami mag-react. Yun.
To Coach, just how important Gretch is to the team, especially these playoffs.
Yes.
How important is
How important? Siyempre, everything. Like as a mentor, as a leader, like she can do because she's the one who like a lot of experience in the Atari. AD have like same age. She great, but AD is more quiet, but she just focus on the play. So we need to someone is talking to inside the court. Especially in the crucial, they say that Greta will play since 4 set. Second set, third set, our characteristic, a lot of error. Kasi in the third set, I think 12 error in one set. So that's why like we need to decide like, oh, Greta can organize for the team. That's why it's most important. Like it's like what Ivy said also, young team. But at least like we have a great, she can fix the team.
Coach, heading into the quarterfinals with a complete lineup, just how big of a thing is this? How important is it, especially to the next round?
Yes. We just like focus on the condition. Actually, all the players now is getting long conference, like the players are minor injury. So we just need to maintenance for the player, and then more on focus on side out.
Coach, and I guess for the players also, you guys will be facing Galleries in the quarterfinals. It's a best of 3 format, but you guys saw the match of Galleries and Signal. I guess going into it, what's going to be the mindset, even though, you know, in terms of the record, they're lower than the team right now? Yeah. For coach and the players.
I think for us, it doesn't matter the opponent. It's really big chance compared to for the top 14. But of course, our characteristic, if we start going to start error, also we cannot stop. That's our characteristic. That's why opponent doesn't matter. We just need to focus on ourselves. Or going to the quarterfinal.
For Ivy and Gretchen. Just on Galleries, yung mindset nyo lang.
Siguro po, syempre, same naman po yung mindset namin talaga. Lalo na nakita namin nag-work yung plan po ngayon. Kaya talagang doon po kami magsistick and ayun, trabaho lang po kami ulit.
Yun siguro yung i-remind ko sa teammates ko and sa team na kailangan namin respetuhin yung mga kalaban namin. Kasi yung magiging mindset namin is lahat talaga malakas. As you can see naman, lahat malakas na dito sa PBL. Siguro patibayan na lang kung sino yung gustong manalo. And also knowing Galleries talaga. Isa, Jimenez, they're good players. And defense also. Sa attacking, nag-improve din sila. So, hindi namin sila pwedeng basta-basta lang. Kasi gusto din nila kung asan sila ngayon. And yun nga, natalo nila Signal. So, marami pang pwedeng mangyari.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, guys.